सेकेंड में पेज नंबर 92. Make groups to divide the following things. Circle each group. So now first one is divide 15 pencils. First count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total how many pencils are there? 15 pencils are there. By making groups of 3. Okay. So in each group how many pencils should be there? 3. So first after 3 pencil make one group. Okay children. You can use scale here. Do neatly. This mean you can do in textbook itself children. No need to write in classwork again. Okay. Do it in textbook. Okay. What we have done? We have made the groups of 3 pencils. We make dash groups. So how many groups are there now of 3 pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we make 5 groups. So 15 divided by 3. Total there were 15 pencils. Then what we have done? We have made the group of 3 pencils. So 15 divided by 3. How many groups are there? 5 groups. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Second one is homework children. Division as repeated subtraction. See, in case of multiplication, what we have done children? Multiplication is nothing but x. What it is? Addition. Instead of adding number many times, we are multiplicating the numbers. So multiplication is repetition of addition. Like that, division as repeated subtraction. We can also divide by finding out how many times a given smaller number can be subtracted from the bigger number. Division is repeated subtraction. See, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Same number you have to subtract children. There, same number you are adding many times. Like that, same number you have to subtract from the bigger number, bigger given number. So, the number is 6. From 6 we are subtracting 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Again from 4. Now this is the answer. From 4 you have to subtract again 2 only. Same number. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Answer is 2 now. Again we should subtract 2. So till we get answer as 0, you should continue this process. Okay. So how many times we have subtracted 2? 1, 2, 3 times. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Example, divide 20 crayons among 4 children. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 crayons are there. We should divide these 20 crayons among 4 children. So, first by giving how many you will start? For each child you will give one crayon. So, first step is you will give 4 crayons to each. So, each one will get one crayon. So, totally you have given 4. So, from 20 you have to subtract 4 first, because for each child you have given one crayon. Like that, 4 crayons you have given. Okay, so they are subtracting 4 first step. 20 minus 4 is equal to 60. Again, there are 16 crayons remaining. So again, to each child you will give one more crayon, one crayon. In second step, what you will do? Again you will give one crayons for 4 children. Like that, total how many you are giving? You are giving 4 crayons. 16 minus 4, because remaining were 16. Again from 16 you will subtract 4 is equal to 12, second step. Next, now 12 are remaining. Again you will give 1 1 to each child. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Third step. In fourth, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. In last step, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. As I have told you, till you get 0, should continue this process. So like that, how many times we have repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We count the number of times we have subtracted 4 from 20. It is 5 times. So we say that 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So total 20 crayons are there. We were dividing these crayons among 4 children. So divided by 4. So each child will get how many crayons? Each child will get 5 crayons. Getting? Next, divide the following by repeated subtraction. So first one, 12 books among 3 children. 12, that means we have to first subtract 3, no? 3 children are there. For each child they are giving one book. So from 12, 3 books are given to 3 children. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. One time. Next, what I should write here? 9 only. Answer is 9. 9 minus 3. How much children? 6. So 2 times. So how many times we are repeating that? That you have to count. Second time we have repeated subtracting 3. Why we are subtracting 3 only? Because there are 3 children. Among them they are distributing the 12 books. Now what number I should write? I should write 6. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. How many times? Third time. Now this answer only I should write remaining books. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So how many times? This is fourth time. So 12 divided by 3, 4. How many times we have repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we have repeated subtracting 3, no? So the answer is 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. B1 is homework, children. Now see, 36 flowers among 9 girls. So 36 minus 9 is equal to how much? Tell me, 36 minus 9. How much, children? I want answer. 36 minus 9 is? So the answer is 27. This is one time. Okay. One time. Now, which number I should write? 27 should be repeated because 27 flowers are remaining. Again, how many I should subtract? 9 only because 9 girls are there. Now tell me, 27 minus 9, how much? You know shortcut subtracting with 9. You know that how to subtract, children, because in subtraction chapter we have done this. Now tell me, 27 minus 9, how much? Answer is 18. So second time we have repeated the subtraction. Now remaining flowers are 18. Again I should subtract 9. You know that 18 minus 9 is 9 only. So this is third time we are subtracting. Next, 9 minus, this should be here because remaining flowers, 9 minus again 9 is equal to 0. This is fourth time. So 36 divided by how much, children? 9, because 9 girls are there, is equal to how many times we are repeated? 4 times. Okay. D, E, F are homework.